Hey there, this is Gizmo. Today we will talk about the most awaited gadget from the Vivo, that is Vivo X90 series smartphones. Under this, the phone will be out on 22nd December in the China market with the X90, X90 Pro and X90 Pro Plus lineup. According to rumors, the phone will run on Android 13 and be coupled with an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset. Accordingly, a Dimensity 9200 plus Vivo V2 powered X90 could make for a compelling and unique prospect on the smartphone's landscape soon. Then again, it may still be outshone by the Snapdragon8 Gen 2 and Sony IMX989 Enhanced Pro Plus. Previously, the Dimensity 9200 equipped Vivo X90 was also listed on the Antutu benchmark with a score of around 1.28 million. In terms of specifications, the Dimensity 9200 features 1 Cortex-X3 supercores, 3 Cortex-A715 performance cores, and 4 Cortex-A510 energy efficient cores. All three expected phone will be available in red color options. The Vivo X90 is said to come with 4 storage and RAM variants. There is 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, another is 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, and the peak variant is 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage configurations. According to official source, the Vivo's new X90 series will include 120W fast charging, a single lens primary lenses, and a new self-designed V2 chipset for improved image output. The Vivo X90 series will be the first to use all the new Origin OS 3.0. On the other hand, we have Vivo X90 Pro, which will sell in black or red color options, and users will have to pick one of these three memory options: 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, or 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage. This phone is expected to be a compromise between the X90 and the flagship tier X90 Pro Plus, with a preference for its larger sibling. Its peak variant Vivo X90 Pro Plus may run with the Snapdragon8 Gen 2 chipset. The phone will also feature a Sony IMX989 sensor for the main camera. So that are the expected features coming with the Vivo X90 series smartphones. Let's take a look at the reviews. The phone got a hot topic after the short video teased by the company. Its design looks adventurous, so users are impressed so much. The phone looks good in the red color variants. Its powerful processor says the phone will be considered as a competitive gaming device and a professional mobile photography also. So if you are looking to buy a gaming phone or want to start short video channel, then this phone will be a good choice. Even then, you can enjoy its AMOLED display and a super massive battery capacity also. It allows you to use your device for a longer session. It is expected that fingerprint sensor will be placed inside the display and the card slot will be unavailable so that you can't increase your storage. Let's see what's going to happen. So that's all for today's video. Hit the subscribe button for more related news. Thanks for watching.